In this video, I'll show you how to enter your GST number during checkout on the RS India website. If you're making a business purchase, adding your GST helps you get a proper tax invoice. Let's get started. First, visit the RS India website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, find products what you're looking to buy. When you found what you need, simply add the items to your basket. After that, click on the basket icon in the top right corner to proceed. Now you'll arrive at your basket page. Here, you can see all the products you've added. Review your items and then click on Checkout Securely button. Now you'll land on the secure checkout page where you'll see your contact details including your name, email address, and phone number and purchasing for. Look for the section labeled Purchasing for, where you'll find two options, business and individual. Select business if you're buying on behalf of a company, as this is required to enter your GST details. If you're making a personal purchase, select individual. Once you've made your selection, click on Save Contact Details to proceed. Next, you will reach the delivery address section. Here, your name may already be filled, but if the delivery is for someone else, you can easily change it and then add your company name and full company address accurately. Then select your state from the drop down menu. Once all the required fields are completed correctly, click on Save Delivery Address to continue. After that, the invoice address section will appear. If your invoice address is the same as your delivery address, simply tick the checkbox. If it's different, uncheck the box and enter your new invoice address. Now let's move on to the GST. You'll see an option to select your GST type. Choose the one that applies to you, registered, deemed ex post, exempted, or unregistered. After you make your selection, two new fields will appear. First, GST registration type, and second is GST registration number. In the GST registration type, choose your registration type based on from the drop down. Based on your GST, then enter your GST registration number. In the GST registration number, your GST state code will be filled in automatically first, based on your saved address, so you only need to type the rest of the number. Next, enter your PAN card number. If you don't have one, simply type NOPAN0007R. Once that's done, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully added your GST number to your billing details. Now just complete your checkout by choosing your payment method and shipping details, and you're all set.